Abba Father, there is a serious shortage of elderly wise men in Ghana. So please.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Ghana Nsem TV GH so wo frame me Adwoa searching. Ebusuafo Mr. Happiness and our say. Now Mr. Happiness nipa ba ko Ghana ni ote amanonia. And the chesen people are being of fire NDC were being of fire now Mr. Happiness say. Kamiako is a Ghana hanu ne short in penny for say bi omunimi answer. Mr. Happiness say how empenifo no behave no it's as if say just in penifo when you so mo Ghana had a short be papa. Now Mr. Happiness e dey nchide buba na Ghana for me gidi say ye na yate ensema circulate e wo internet ni so e fa Nigeria king bi Igbo king bi o abeto lands e wo Accra wa establish no as a king. Now video ne anase ensem ne bae no me person me make a comment there because comment be na will make it. It's so pathetic. Say yeti ye memu na ohin bi finu krom aba establish no so your here we Ghana how is that you can't think madness. Captain Smart ko to bonku akodjila ho akodje chen atuni ko minu so ko ye ne ne fa hin se bengumi mo benku hinio. Hey, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama inviting him. Like seriously, amanfo bebre edo mo anu atum a wo sha boys ni bi kwa demonstration na me se me nko demonstration bi ada na sa demonstration e pade ya na ye demonstration e nia de ho baji for what reason Nigeria for baji yen Ghana aboso omo de yen Ghana card na yen passport e di bone Nigeria ni omo fe na Yakubu Same apia ya obin Nigeria ni o okodi bone a omo so ye Ghana ni omo e bi pa na yetimi say yen tin say Mr. Happiness e de etuya.
Abba Father, there is a serious shortage of elderly wise men in Ghana. So please, Abba Father, rain wisdom on the elderly in Ghana because they lack it. You already know the Ghana you created. They believe when you are young you can never be wise. But Jesus Christ was only 33 years. So we the wise ones, when we speak, they say we are not old. We don't have school certificates, so they will not listen. So God, the elderly that they listen to, they are not wise. Most of them are foolish. So I'm begging you, before you kill them, before you take the elderly in Ghana out of this world, give them wisdom to do something good, to do something good for the country Ghana. Otherwise, you will not like the Ghana you created. You know, I'm one of the few wise you created. But now I'm a Dutch man. So I cannot, even when I share my wisdom with them, they don't take it because they said I'm no longer Ghanaian. So please rain wisdom on the elderly in Ghana. Because they lack it. Obi. Hey! Hey! Because they lack it, Abba Father. Please rain wisdom on the elderly in Ghana. They lack it. Enti nkwasya sem ene nkwasya de nko anom ye nyansa de baku ko mutumi ti rade me pacho let wisdom reign on the elderly in Ghana. Amen and thank you for answered prayer. Thank you. Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. You are already aware that there are a lot of people in prison today in Ghana whose crime is simply stealing food, not from the national buffer stock, but from individuals because of lack of employment, which leads to hunger. That's why they went to steal food. But they are serving longer sentences in prison. Atu Essien, on the other hand, had a higher paying job as the CEO of a bank. Yet, because he's greedy and selfish, he stole from the public purse. He stole the taxpayers' money to enrich himself. So, Your Excellency, you cannot pardon Atu Essien, even when Otumfuo advises you to do so. Because you pardon Atu Essien, is you openly and unofficially saying that once you are gainfully employed, stealing the taxpayers' money to enrich yourself is not a crime. Or it's a crime that can be pardoned by the president. That is what you are saying. But I believe you that you are not going to pardon Atuese, because legacy can never be built when you pardon people who have stolen taxpayers' money, which runs into millions, which could provide good drinking water for millions of Ghanaians. So, Mr. President, John Dramani Mahama, don't pardon Atuese. He deserves more than the time he's serving. He's not Ghanaian more than those who are serving prison sentences for stealing just food. He stole money from the public purse. He deserves longer sentence than what he's serving right now. Don't pardon Atuese, John Dramani Mahama, President of Ghana, even if Otumfuo advises you. Thank you.
The party for wasn't me because mother omasi. Na make a way no. We banana wish Ghana for a very brand new morning. A very, very, very brand new morning. I'm very Ghana for Chile say, ne, we had the business in Kuruma. Almost the new patriotic party, any party, Yami Aduma, 2028, SA Barbemo. You bit my Barbemo. You say one kaboom srunkon, yet me Barbem. The need you party mu, Yama, and you might aye dinamaye. And until a baboon, and ne, you man munina, Casse. Say, in Penufua, Uncle Funim say, Umbit Mabina Brania Boa party. So Muntimin Yedia. Party ya kana dane say ya pasun bi na we have the men oni ba the men no nyini pa mienu pe ye guso ayeka say men na de bia ya kana nyini pa mienu pe enu nti na yewura Brian Champon ayi ni tie
na sembe kre
enu nti na yewura Brian Champon ayi ni tire asante mem ha mrante bibire ni mabawa bibire yikase se nipa mienu no nja ntokwa ne konde ya you go for the alternative, and the alternative is yewura Brian Champon. What you say? Dr.
Why not have one the blue?
Oh, why about the alternative is Brian Champon. Why about Antoquano? I say, go for a bridge, 2 move for a staff for a 2 move for them. So Munyai, or Moni Babam Hosono, Umucho Machino, no be a new machi. Yes. Party will not leave it to the two. We will not do it. And you move one man. We are not moved by material things, we are moved by conviction. And if the party will be stronger, we will need somebody whose vision is clear and wants to lead this party to victory. Here, Brian Champon, say he's not in to test power. And before we say we should wait, he's for the future. No, he's not for the future, he's for the now. Because media, as one say example, I'll continue to say it. Because a buffo and go for the social media, and then Montre air cano, a buffo no ketwabio. Say you could eat your rakena. The Baumia people will sit idle. And if the Baumia people, about 2024 elections, they can't, as I'm coach today. Nana don't go for goodwill and all within the party. No, nobody has it again now. It's only unity that can give any candidate we select that kind of a chitaya na you rock for, a style na you and another don't go for the war. But these two candidates, Omochita for no. And ya dia on more chess a party, you're going to a bit more.